Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. This is the Raymond bot. It's an all-in-one Solana token launch bot that creates SPL tokens, adds Raydium liquidity, and manages your launch with ease. So basically it's an all-in-one platform to create Solana tokens and launch them with the initiation of the Raydium liquidity pool. So it has some few interesting features like vanity token addresses, generates a custom address ending with pump or moon, and you can like revoke, mint, and freeze authorities to make like your token more trustable. All-in-one workflow, token creation, metadata, authority management, and liquidity, and all in one place. So basically it's a really good bot for doing like anything you're trying to do with Solana meme coins, maybe like creating or initiating a liquidity pool and then removing liquidity. So here we can like import our wallet. I'm just gonna copy my private key real quickly. There we go. We just imported my wallet to the I'm importing my wallet to the bot, and just like that it's imported. Now all we gotta do is continue to token setup. And just like that we can create token right here. Enter token name. We're gonna go with something like BTC. As I can see, we can like initiate and remove liquidity right here. Just gonna add the metadata. Symbol is gonna be BTC and supply is gonna be 1 billion, obviously. We're gonna enter like 9 decimals. And we can like make the CA end with pump or moon, but I'm just gonna go with random and create our token. Basically, token created successfully. This is the CA, and we're gonna add liquidity. I'm just gonna go ahead and add 4 sol for liquidity, or maybe like 3.5 just for this tutorial. Just gonna confirm our liquidity initiation, and just like that, liquidity pool is set. After a few minutes, you gotta wait a few minutes to see that the liquidity pool is initiated successfully, and just like that, all we see is few buys, liquidity at 900. And yeah, nothing crazy right now, but you gotta like wait for it. It says like this pair has very little liquidity, but you can just like ignore all these messages as people gonna like see it. And there we go, there's a buy with 150 bucks. So yeah, that's really cool. If we just remove liquidity right now, we're gonna like get all that buys and all the amounts that people buy. It's just gonna go to my wallet. I'm just speeding up right here. And there's a buy with 460 bucks. That is very good. Few buys with 30 and 20, here and there. But yeah, our liquidity now is at 2.6k and another 150 bucks buy. So yeah, these are some really good buys out here, making our few 15. There's a lot of 15s. It's probably someone trying to like divide supply between wallets. All we gotta do now is go ahead and remove the liquidity. Just gonna go ahead and remove liquidity. As we can see, like 3k liquidity is pretty good. We just removed liquidity, that is the TX. So as we can see, just removed it, 13 sol. That's pretty cool. Like we made 10 sol or something. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Yep.